Pulish Ramteke, CCTV installation and technician trainer from Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Kendra Gondia, Excellence Learning Solution. Today I am going to discuss the topic Introduction to CCTV. What is the CCTV? Why the CCTV system is used? What is the importance of the CCTV and etc. So first of all, what is the CCTV? CCTV is basically closed circuit television and it is used to monitor purpose or observation purpose. If we have to observe the many things such as in shopping mall, banks, offices, etc. So we can use the CCTV system. So basically full form of the CCTV is closed circuit television and it is used for monitor and observation purpose. CCTV system consists of DVR, that is a digital video recorder, CCTV camera and monitor. Here the CCTV camera is connected to the DVR and DVR is connected to the monitor. Here to connect the CCTV camera to DVR we can use the coaxial cable or Ethernet cable. To connect DVR to the monitor also we can use the coaxial cable or Ethernet cable. Depends on the which type of camera we are using or which type of DVR or monitor we are using. There are various types of DVR, monitor and CCTV camera also. So here now we are going to discuss about the various types of CCTV camera. So basically the CCTV camera is an electronics device and which is used to capture the video, images, etc. It consists of lens and some electronic circuitry. The quality of the image or video which is captured by the CCTV camera depends on the megapixel of the lens. After capturing all the images or video by the CCTV camera, the electronic circuit will convert the signals and send it to the DVR. There are various types of CCTV camera, IP camera and analog camera. So here the CCTV camera is divided into the basically two types, analog camera and IP camera. There are in analog camera there are bullet camera, dome camera, box camera. Also in the IP camera there are same types of cameras are available. Here we can use some of these camera for the indoor purpose as well as outdoor purpose. So those cameras are suitable for we can use them in the indoor and those are suitable for outdoor purpose. We can use them for the outdoor. So how we can decide which camera is useful for the indoor purpose and which camera is useful for the outdoor purpose? So depends on their size, depends on the capacity of handling the environmental difficulties. We can categorize them into the outdoor camera as well as the indoor camera. For indoor as well as outdoor camera we can use the proper cable and connectors also, so they can handle all the difficulties coming from the environmental condition. Here we are going to discuss the various types of camera by seeing their images. This is one type of camera which is known as the bullet camera. As this camera having the bullet shape, that's why this camera is known as the bullet camera. If you can see here the IR, that is infrared LEDs are used. These LEDs having their different function. As these LEDs are connected to this camera, this camera can capture the video in night also. As this camera having the bullet shape, that's why this is known as the bullet camera. The one of the most important quality of this camera is that camera is used for the outdoor purpose and can capture maximum area in long distance also. That's why it is known as the bullet camera. Mostly this camera is used in the outdoor purpose for entry level, for parking, for exit level. This camera can be useful. After bullet camera, we are going to discuss the new camera which is also useful for the indoor purpose, that is the dome camera. Dome camera basically having the dome type of shape, that's why this camera is known as a dome camera. You can see here this camera having the dome shaped, that's why this camera is known as dome camera. This camera can move in this direction. This is basically used in the indoor purpose. This can't be used for outdoor purpose. So as we have discussed, bullet camera can be used in outdoor purpose, but the dome camera can used for the indoor purpose. Next camera is the box camera. As we know that due to environmental conditions, dust, smoke, etc., camera can be damaged. So to avoid this condition, we can insert the camera inside the box, and that's why this camera is known as the box camera. Because of heavy temperature or thermal conditions, camera can be damaged, or cables can be damaged, or a connector can be damaged. To avoid this condition, we can insert the camera inside the box, and then this camera becomes box camera. You can see the box camera. Here the camera is inserted inside the box. Here the cable is connected, and this is the lens through which this camera can capture the images. So by using this box, we can protect that CCTV camera, and as this camera is inserted inside the box, it does not affect any environmental condition on this box. Then now the CCTV camera, as we discussed, it is categorized into two parts: analog camera and IP camera. Analog camera is the oldest version, but IP camera is the newest technology, which is known as Internet Protocol camera. Nowadays in the cricket stadium or in various places, we can observe the camera is used, and that camera is known as a PTZ camera. The meaning of PTZ is the pan, tilt and zoom. That means the camera who can rotate 360 degree, that camera is known as PTZ camera, having the zoom function also, so it can do the zoom in as well as zoom out. It can tilt also, and that's why it is known as pan, tilt and zoom camera. So friends, this is PTZ camera. This camera is known as pan, tilt and zoom camera. As this camera having the function of pan, tilt and zoom, so it can rotate 360 degree, and it having the function of zoom in as well as zoom out. Mostly this camera is used in a cricket stadium. Also this camera is used in the various places such as the 5-star hotel and etc. This is the newest technology of camera, and it is used for zooming and zoom out purpose. CCTV camera is used for the observation and monitor purpose. Here we have saw the block diagram of CCTV system. Here the CCTV camera is connected to the DVR, and DVR is connected to the monitor. CCTV camera is basically used to capture the video or images. After capturing video or images, the CCTV camera send all the signals to the DVR. DVR do the processing of that signals and store all the data inside the hard disk, and then send the signal to the monitor for displaying purpose. Here the cables and connectors are connected in between the CCTV camera and DVR to monitor. Here there are various types of cables and connectors are required to connect the various types of cables and connectors are used to connect the DVR, CCTV camera and monitor. But if we are using analog camera, then we have to use coaxial cable and BNC connector. If we are using IP camera, then we have to use Ethernet cable and RJ45 connector. So there are various cables and connector used to connect the CCTV system. As we have categorized the CCTV camera into the analog camera and IP camera. If we have to connect the analog camera, then we can use this coaxial cable, and this is the BNC connector. To connect this coaxial cable to CCTV camera to the DVR, we can use the BNC connector. Next, this is the BNC connector, which is known as Barnett-Nell-Consolman connector. That connector is used to connect the DVR by the coaxial cable. BNC connector is used. As we discuss about the analog camera, now we are going to discuss about the IP camera, that is Internet Protocol camera. If we are using the Internet Protocol camera, IP CCTV camera, then we have to use Ethernet cable to connect the IP CCTV camera to the DVR. So to connect the Ethernet cable to DVR and CCTV camera, we can use the RJ45 connector. Here you can see the Ethernet cable and RJ45 connector. So to connect IP CCTV camera to DVR, Ethernet cable is used. This is the Ethernet cable, and to connect that CCTV camera to DVR, we can use, by using the Ethernet cable, we can use that RJ45 connector. So now we have discussed about the total block diagram of CCTV system. Again I am going to revise that block diagram. CCTV system, that is CCTV camera, is connected to DVR and DVR is connected to the monitor. Here the CCTV camera is used for only capturing the images or video, and DVR is used for recording and processing the signals coming from the CCTV camera, and that signals are sent by the DVR to the monitor for displaying purpose. Here we have discussed total structure and types of the CCTV camera, various types of CCTV camera, that is analog camera and IP camera. In analog camera we are using the coaxial cable. To connect the coaxial cable we are using the BNC connector. For IP camera, to connect the IP camera we are using the Ethernet cable. To connect that Ethernet cable in between the CCTV camera and DVR, we are using the RJ45 connector. Now we are going to discuss the important part of the CCTV system is the DVR, that is digital video recorder. The purpose and function of the digital video recorder, why the digital video recorder is used. As the name of digital video recorder, this recorder is used to record the signals coming from the CCTV camera. Then why it is known as the digital video recorder? As the signals coming from the CCTV camera are in the digital format, or it can be converted into the digital format. That's why this is known as the digital video recorder. Here inside the digital video recorder there are two important parts are used. One is the motherboard and another one is the hard disk. We everyone know that hard disk is used for the storing purpose. It is used to store the data, and motherboard having the various functions. It can process all the signals. So that by seeing every information about the DVR, we can consider that DVR is the most important part of the CCTV system. Here we are going to discuss about the DVR into the next video. Thank you very much.